Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy thicker. To begin, let's explore the most common thickening agents and how they work. We'll then dive into practical techniques for achieving a perfectly smooth consistency every time. Finally, I'll share some helpful tips for troubleshooting thin gravy and enhancing its overall flavor. Get ready to master the art of rich, delicious gravy. When thickening gravy, flour is a traditional choice, often used to make a roux with fat for a rich, opaque result. Cornstarch, on the other hand, creates a glossy, translucent gravy when mixed into a slurry with cold liquid. For a clear and smooth finish, arrowroot is an excellent alternative. If you need a gluten-free option, potato starch also works wonderfully, providing a similar effect to cornstarch. To achieve a perfectly smooth gravy, always start by creating a slurry. Mix your chosen thickener, like cornstarch or flour, with an equal amount of cold water or broth until it's completely smooth. Slowly whisk this slurry into your simmering gravy. Continue whisking constantly as it cooks to prevent any lumps from forming. Cook for at least 1 to 2 minutes to ensure the thickener is fully activated and to eliminate any raw taste. If your gravy is too thin, don't worry. You can easily fix it by adding another small slurry of your preferred thickener, whisking it in gradually until the desired consistency is reached. Alternatively, gently simmer the gravy to reduce it, which will naturally thicken and intensify its flavor. For an extra touch of richness, stir in a tablespoon of cold butter at the end. Always taste and adjust seasonings to ensure a perfectly balanced and delicious gravy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.